And there's all the walruses up there. So some are in the water. You can see over there. Some up there. And yeah, there they are, all resting and smelly. And big ivories there, whatnot. All right. There's the walruses. They're in the water down there, as you can see. And our ship is yonder. Rest of our group there. And we're going to come around. We're going to try to look at some of those shacks over there, but we have to stay far away from them. We don't want to make a lot of noise and disturb them. So we give them a wide berth here. Well, we can't get any closer here. This is our limit where we can walk. But those shacks, there's one there, one there, one there. Normally we could, if we could go up, and if they're open, we could go inside and have a look. But they said that this one on the left has a reindeer in back of it. This one right there. And we're all waiting for him to move. Maybe he's taking a nap back there. I don't know. But we still got the walruses down there. And yours truly here is here. The weather's not too bad. It's not windy, which is always good. So yeah, all right. And we're in a kind of a marshy area here. It's kind of gooey and stuff, and we don't want to go into that soft stuff there, because you'll sink in and will mess up the environment and whatnot. So leave marks that humans have been there. So we're only walking on this semi-soft stuff here, which is you can see there's grasses down there and different things. Well, that reindeer still hasn't moved from behind the shed, and I'm really toasty warm here with all my layers on. Probably put too much. There's some walrus in the water there, and way down there there's 3 other guys in the water that may be a little closer to the people here. But yep, I think that reindeer's taking a nap back there. Alright, if we look up by that first hut just to the left, there's a reindeer with a good sized rack that's chewing on the little grasses down there. I'd have to do a digital zoom on this in post, but he's up there right by that shack just to the left of it there. He's out in the open now, moving from right to left. Yeah, there's one up here, but he's real hard to see. I got a picture I took that I'm going to inset it in the video so you can see it then. And but these are hard to see over here because they're far away. But we're down here by the water. The ship is out there. We'll take a last look before we head back. The walruses are up there doing their thing, splashing around the water, you know, laying about. Our other buddy reindeer over there, he went over the hill. And he's gone on the other side then. Gone, but not forgotten. This is M1 Man Travel, reporting to you from Svalbard, north of the Arctic Circle. It's kind of the walrus graveyard, because all the bones of the walrus, there's a skull there. Somebody had piled up a bunch of skulls over there somewhere. You'll be able to see them. So yeah, getting ready to head back to the old ship, the old walrus graveyard, the bones of walruses gone by here. Okay.